everyone, Walleyedan from Fleetfarm. We're talking Leatherman tools, the multi-tool right here. We've got the Surge 21 to do this job right here. It's deer season, and a multi-tool like this speaks for itself. We've got 21 different tools on here. Today we're gonna gut this buck. I mean, we've got a sharp knife. That's all it takes right here. So we're gonna take this baby, and I like to just barely, feel that rib cage, okay? Just below that rib cage. I'm just gonna make a little bit of a cut, okay? And this knife is so sharp, so you don't want to cut down too far, okay? I'm just gonna work my way down here a little bit. There's a lot of people that are thinking Leatherman. I'm not gonna gut my deer with a Leatherman. Baloney. I mean, this is a solid tool, the Surge 21 Leatherman right here. It's solid, sharp blade. Obviously, it's doing the trick.
So as you can see, the Surge 21 Leatherman did the trick on that whitetail buck. But this tool here has so many other tools. We've got the needle nose, we've got the standard pliers, we've got the wire cutter, we've got a serrated knife, we've got a saw, we've got a scissors, we've got a Phillips screwdriver, a standard screwdriver, 21 different tools right here. And we also have a few other varieties with us here today. We've got the Super Tool that has 19 tools, the Blast has 16, the Skeletool has 7, and the Freestyle and the Style each have 5. So just showing you some of the varieties of the Leatherman. And these tools here have a 25-year warranty. And it's December, Christmas is just around the corner. What an awesome gift. My son, who's 9 years old, got a Leatherman from my dad, and he absolutely loves this thing. So whether you're buying this for your children or your husband, your wife, there's just so many different ways you can use these tools. The hunter, the fisherman, the farmer, the sailor, the list goes on and on. Pick one of these up, and don't forget your hunting and fishing licenses today at Mills Fleet Farm.